Another week has come and gone. Good morning. It is beautiful out. I don't know why it's beautiful out. Usually it's like the surface of the sun here, but right now it's 66 degrees in Phoenix. It's Saturday morning now. We are going to head out to Boyce Thompson Arboretum, which is a, it's kind of like a botanical garden. It's an arboretum. Well, it's going to take about an hour and 10 minutes to get there. So come with us between the trips. We made the drive. It took an hour and a half and it is now 8:50 and it is now 87 degrees. It's going to be warm, but we have made it to the gorgeous Boyce Thompson Arboretum. I don't know if you can see the mountain there, probably, but it's just on the outskirts of Superior, Arizona. It's warm. Is it warm?
It's warm.
It's very warm. But how cool is... We're about halfway around the main loop here at Boyce Thompson. But how cool is this building? I don't know what it's used for. I see a ceiling fan up there. And there's a garden with some netting. But it is very, very cool looking. It's gorgeous out here. See, this is the cool thing about Arizona and the Sonoran Desert, is that we were just up in the desert and now we're in a tree tunnel down by a river surrounded by green trees.
In a tree tunnel down by the river. Sorry.
Is that SNL or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's his name? Chris Farley.
But there's a river right here. It's dry right now, but you can tell looking at it that it's not long dry, and obviously everything's really green. Good morning. It is Saturday, July 4th weekend. It's a long weekend for us, which means we're going to go and do some things. Today we're going to head down to the Pima Air and Space Museum, where we will film a video for the main line. It's hot. It's going to be 116 tomorrow, and Pima Air and Space Museum is mostly outside. We are here at the Pima Air and Space Museum. Entrance is what, $20?
Yes.
There's some hangars, which you can see over there, that you can go into, and then there's a big sort of field with loads of planes. Now we're going to head in. It is 92 degrees, so it's going to be a hot one again. We will see if we melt. Eileen has a hat on.
I want to melt.
Sunscreen is applied. It's hot.
It's very hot.
It's very hot. I think it's like 100 degrees. This is amazing though. You can walk right up underneath all the planes. So like there's the there's Air Force One from Kennedy. Over here, you can't walk up next to this one, but
that's pretty cool.
NASA Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. There's like a Norwegian Air Force plane over there. Over here, there's a stealth bomber. You can see it's shiny. But yeah, how much was this? It was like
$19.95 per
$19.95.
person? Yeah.
It is hot. There is a tram tour, but we didn't think it was worth it. Well, it was sold out for a start,
it was $8.
so we didn't have a choice. But it just sort of drives around, and you can walk around it all and read and be up next to the planes, which seems a lot better in my eyes. It's crazy being underneath. There's a Dreamliner over there that you can walk right up to the engine with. Very impressive. Now we're going to go in and look at some of the hangars. We're done.
Ooh.
2 hours. 2 hours. We're in there for $20.
Gosh,
2 hours. Saw hundreds of planes, inside and outside. I preferred the outside areas.
I did too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Plane-wise.
You can walk right up underneath them, look in the wheel wells, everything. Look in the engine. You can't go in them, which I would like it if they had a few planes that you were able to go inside.
Yeah, that would have been cool. Did you see my magnet?
Oh, Eileen got a magnet. There it is. It's a nice one. Like
at the gates, or the gate at the front.
Yes, here's the entrance. Has that in there. Now I think we're either going to go and eat something, or it's still kind of early to eat.
It is, yeah.
Head back to Phoenix. 2 hours north. We're once again at Cornish Pasty. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's the menu. You can pause it or don't. There's loads of pasties. This is very dark. I always realize that I never show the menu anywhere, so we're showing the menu.
We ordered
There's tons of variety.
Scotch.
Tons of English stuff. And beer, most importantly. But it's really nice in here. Every time we come in it changes. And they just got a new rug. But yeah, it's coming along. These look a lot better than when we were at Jerome.
Yeah.
What even happened with that?
They were like burnt and they were only cut like in half, right?
Yeah. And they weren't on anything.
No, this is way better. They look great.
So I got a pork and apple. I'm gonna have to brighten this up a lot. There is a noise. And you got
Cajun chicken. This is the best. Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
So we're all wrapped up. We ate half the pasty and 71.12 is a total. 2 beers each, a starter, and the pasty. Not bad. Eileen, what just happened to you? She got stuck in the chair. She got stuck in the chair.
It's torn.
She couldn't get out. She couldn't get out. This is Cornish Pasty Co. in North Phoenix. It's pretty cool over here. We come here a lot, so, and they just got pool tables over there, so it's a fun place. We just got done at Cornish Pasty Co. Oh, they have a sign. They finally got their sign.
Yeah.
Here at 32nd Street and Union Hills. I really don't want them to work on the outside, but food's so good, beer is good, reasonably priced. Good time was had by all. Now back to the house. Good morning. It is Monday, July 3rd. Tomorrow's the 4th, so as I mentioned last night, we have tomorrow off as well, which means we get to do something today instead of work. We're gonna head up to Flagstaff and we're gonna do a mainline video up there. For now, I'm gonna show what I was doing with my night gardening last night that you probably couldn't see. So we put some mulch down to try and help these little guys because they're getting torched by the sun. I think there's twofold, right? I think they're being overwatered, but I also think that if I don't keep watering them, they're just going to crisp up. So they're probably going to die, but we're giving them a try. We're giving them the best chance that we can. This one looks particularly bad. Just took a Polaroid. We're up at the top of what is it, Humphreys Peak? Mount Humphreys. And it's 11,000 feet up.
11,500.
11,500 feet up.
I'm dying.
And the air is very thin up here. But the views are amazing. And
There's
you can
like smoke over there.
Yeah, over where that smoke is. It might not come out on this, but behind that you can see a bit of the Grand Canyon.
No flossing.
No, this one's like, don't pretend to be a mime in here.
Don't be grumpy.
Yes. It's not like the
Staying alive.
No dancing ones at Disney. It's always surprising how steep the ski runs are. Like really steep. And I can't imagine doing it. I'd be too much of a baby.
Me too.
Amazing views up here. I think, how much did it cost? $24 each, I think. I think it came out to $48. It's not particularly cheap. Yeah. So here at the base of the gondola, there's a bunch of different stuff to do. So there's the gondola and it goes up. And down here you can get burgers and slide down a slide and all kinds of fun stuff. We made our way up to a rooftop at the bottom of the gondola. And they've got a little snack bar down in the main area. We got some pretzel bites and a couple of beers. It's a bit expensive, to be honest, but can't complain with the setting. So we'll hang out here for a bit and then head back to the heat in the valley. We made our way to the Mexicano. Eileen's here. It's happening. happy hour though. Look how amazing this happy hour is. Like, legit. And it's Monday. $2 margaritas. And it's usually 12. Crazy prices. So as with most Mexican places, you get chips and salsa. This salsa's really good. And we got some guac too, because I feel like we're robbing this place with how low the prices are right now. Guac just came. It's big, it's large. It's expensive though, but that's okay. It's okay. Our first drinks are here. Some margaritas, $2. Come on. That's ridiculous. Our tacos came, and I'm a very bad vlogger, and I ate before. Al pastor, birria, $2 each. And this is where we were, Mexicano, here in Phoenix. Hello.
Good morning.
It's Tuesday. It's Independence Day. We're going to Topgolf again. Because we had fun last time, so we're going to go and do it by ourselves this time.
Yeah.
And get more buffalo dip, because that was delicious.
Chicken buffalo dip.
But we'll take you along. So we made it out to Topgolf. It's pretty warm, but there are vistas and stuff. Unfortunately, we're on the ground floor, which we don't love. It's not as fun, but you can't pick. You can't reserve. So they have a bunch of food here. We did the buffalo chicken dip last time, and that was really delicious. Wind. And they have these injectable donuts as well. It's not registering some of the shots, which is crap. Better? So she was gonna get first time then.
Oh, you won again? Yeah. Alright, I gotta beat you at some point.
So we got our food. The buffalo dip looks okay. How sad are these fries? $4, tiny. And then the chips from a bag, but let's see how it tastes.
Last bird. Pressure's on, Jonathan. Don't hit the car. We're done. Goodbye, Topgolf. We'll go to the Scottsdale one next.
Yes. Obviously, we're back from Topgolf. Topgolf was okay.
I'm not going to go back to that location.
Not
I will
that
go
location.
to the other one first before I go there.
We were down at the bottom. They told us there's no way to move up. We reserved a week ago. And the food wasn't great. We asked for left-handed clubs. They weren't there when we got there, so we had to wait 10 minutes once we were there. And this...
When you request that in the app, you should not have to go in and ask.
Yeah,
and then
right. What's the point of requesting it in the app if you're asking for it before?
It should be ready.
So we're going to try Scottsdale next time. It's very expensive for what it is. I think it's like... And it was half price Tuesdays. That's the whole thing. It's like... I think if you go when it's not half price Tuesdays, it's about $70. Before any food or drink or anything. So... Next time we'll try Scottsdale. We had fun, but it wasn't that great. But yeah, now we're gonna have halloumi and some food and enjoy the rest of the evening on this July 4th and some sparklers, apparently.
Halloumi is cooked.
It's very good.
Minnie is begging.
She's trying to eat it out of my mouth.
No,
We're also watching a bit of Adam the Woo. If you don't know that,
He's flying to Austin from Phoenix.
Got big into Adam the Woo when he did the Nickelodeon. He got in trouble for it.
Whoops.
We've met him a few times, and he's great. We're watching that, and we're eating some halloumi, and all is right in the world right now.